And there you go. I love the color, the combination of this one, red, black, yellow, and yellow, orange, the blue one. And this one is for the different colors, the red. They are all amazing colors. Hello everyone. Mega shout out. Welcome once again to Pure Stone Heart. And once again, as usual, my favorite video. Join with me as I do another unboxing for today's video. So, may in-order ako na naman kasi dumaan sa wall ko at nabaghanin na naman ang inyong Pure Stone Heart sa kulay ng sapatos na ito. So, I said to myself, in 2024, I will not buy any more shoes. But, oh my God, hindi ko talaga napigilan. But let's see what happened and what is inside. Join with me as I do the unboxing. So, the first one, actually, here. Again, it's a Champion. It makes a little more to make a Champion. Where it's sealed. Perfect. There you go. Oh, look at the color. Oh my goodness. This is 8.5. So I love the texture, the color, the design, the combination of the color. Gustong gusto ko talaga. Look at that one. So grabe. Ang ganda niya din sa personal, guys. Though maganda to siya sa maganda siya sa picture, sa online, maganda din talaga siya sa personal. Yes, there you go. So, dalawa. So, Champion. So, grabe ang combination ng color. Ang ganda talaga niya. So, yan, logo ng Champion. Ganyan. So, this is the color. It says here is Fused Exhibit Blue Multi. Multicolor blue. And here we go. The next. Again, the same brand. The same brand. Here also, the same brand. Sealed for branch forks. There you go. See the color? This is 9.5. See the color. It's a very nice color, you know. Who would have thought that I could buy this one? See. Grabe, ang kulay niya, guys, oh. The design, it's the same with this one. This is a little bit smaller, but a little bit the same. Yeah, but this one, the same color, the same design, but two different color. This is Firefly multicolor, fused multicolor yellow. And this one is blue. And the last but not the least, and this is too different, too far from, this is different sa iba. But still, ganda ng ganda ng design niya, promise. And the size for this is 9.5 and this one 8, but I believe this one still, yeah. And there, it's a very nice color, guys. And there you go. I love the color, the combination of this one, red, black, yellow, and yellow, orange, the blue one. And this one is for the different colors, the red. They are all amazing colors. Thank you so much sa mga hindi pa nakapag subscribe sa channel ko. Please do like and subscribe my channel and share. Thank you so much. Thank you. Once again, this is Pure Stoneheart and thank you for watching. Till next time.